Hi, welcome to Payment Process Configuration in SAP. In the last two lectures, in this section, we have already configured bank key and house bank. The next step is to configure all company code in transaction code FBZP. Logging into SAP, transaction code FBZP, click All Company Codes tab. Click New Entries button. Company code. In this field, we have to enter the company code which is going to make the payment, or for the company code for which the payment program configuration is being done. In our case, it is 3000. Sending company code. Now, typically sending company code and paying company codes are same. However, they can be different where there is a centralized purchase and a payment is made by a headquarter. So there are, let's say there are company code 1000, 2000 and 3000, three company codes in an organization. All these company codes have separate purchase department. They make their purchases, but then the payment for all these vendors and purchases is made by the company code 3000. In that case, the sending company code, let's say the paying company code in all these cases will be 3000, but sending company code could be 1000, 2000 or 3000. In this case, we are taking 3000 as a sending and paying company code. Looking at the other fields like outgoing payment with cash discount from, we can enter 5% here or any other figure, let's say 2%. What this means is, in case there is a discount available on vendor invoice payment, if the payment is made earlier, to this invoice only if the discount percentage is more than the percentage specified here. So if suppose the payment terms are 1% cash discount if paid immediately and invoice is due net after 15 days. In this case, because the cash discount percentage is 1%, which is less than 2% specified here, invoice will be paid on its due date and not before that. In case there is another vendor invoice with the payment terms cash discount 3% if paid immediately, due after 20 days. In this case, the program will pick up this invoice to avail the 3% discount and pay it earlier before its due days, which is 20 days from the invoice date. In case the max cash discount checkbox is selected, program will avail of the cash discount in all cases. To know more details about any field, just select that field and press F1 button. For example, special GL transactions. So let's look at the vendor. Since we are configuring vendor payments, special GL transactions for vendors. Now, some of the examples of special GL transactions are guarantees and advances made to the vendor or down payments. So in many cases, some advance have to be paid to the vendor and then only the goods are supplied by the vendor. These advances are known as down payment in the SAP. They get adjusted against the vendor invoices. In case we have to make payment for these advances or down payments, we have to enter the special GL transactions in this field. Press F1, F4. The special GL transaction is down payment on current asset and then down payment request. Both can be added. Save. So with this, we have completed the configuration of all company codes in SAP. In the next lecture, we will start and complete the configuration of paying company code.